Hello, my dear subscribers. One thing in the Kyrgyz Republic is demotivation. We have a new generation. Our new generation want to live outside of our country. They want to go to United States. They want to go to European Union. They want to go to South Korea. They want to go to Turkey. They want to go to Australia, Canada. Some of South, for example, Chile, Brasilia, they won't go to the Japan, they won't go to the Singapore. They won't stay here and live here. We have a big problem with the motivation. If we can see young people there with a high talent, with the high skills, they can be designers, they can be IT specialists, they can make great startups, they can make the great business, small and enterprises, and they are very cool guys, cool girls and boys, but they want to leave this country because our country in the global ratings in the middle or a little bit lower under the middle line by the all rates. And that's a problem. That's one problem. They will come to your country and they will take your workplaces and they live with you. Maybe they will serve to your country and they will make you rich because they has high talents. It's right. But our country will go down and our country will transform to the country of migrants. We will supply you with migrants day by day. And to stop it, to change the motivation, we need to make our country developed. But in our landlocked country, surrounded by the dictatorship regimes, for example, I'm speaking about big countries, our close neighbors, not all of them dictators, our close neighbors, especially the relative neighbors, like the Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, they are our bros, and we in the same situation, but some of them richer than our country, some of them poorer than our country, but they are our big bros. But we transforming to the country who's supplying all over developed countries with the migrants. To stop this, I see only one thing. It's a bring investment, bring new technology. It's the developing our country. If we will have the developed centers, new technologies, new manufacturers, new factories, high technology factories, so we will have a center of the accumulation of capital. So then our guys, our girls and boys and other genders will not start to think about the migration. Okay, let's take one of a talented part of our youth to our countries. That's not a problem, but to save your countries from the big number of migrants and to save our countries from the brain drain, I think we need each other. We need new technologies and factories. And if we will make this country developed, then I think it will decrease the world conflicts, it will decrease the migration, it will solve the big task of the low motivation for life of our young people and the young people of your countries, of course. That's why we in this situation, so we need to solve the situation. We need to give more happiness to our kids, to our sons and daughters, and because they are not happy. We are in landlocked country. We have some hot spots near the country in the meaning of the war, in the meaning of the conflicts, and all these conflicts burning from the I think from the not big wealthy, from the this situation there, no technologies, no development. So We need manufacturers, we need new technologies, we need the help of full civilized world to give the motivation to our youth to build the point of development in our region.